Good morning, children. So let's start the next topic, ball and socket joints. So here you can see activity 2 is there. So this activity you have to do, children. Roll a strip of paper into a cylinder. Make a small hole in an old rubber or plastic ball. Okay, what you have to do, you have to make a small hole in an old rubber or a plastic ball. Okay, so take a small plastic ball and make a hole into that and push the paper cylinder into it as shown in the figure 8.2. You can also stick a cylinder on the ball. That can be done. Cylinder on the ball. So thin cylinder, just like a handle, you have to roll it and stick it. Pull the ball in a small bowl. Okay. So now you have to take a small bowl and put this small ball into a bowl, katori like thing. Okay. So here you can see how it is done. There is a bowl. Yeah, you can see this is a bowl. Then there is a ball and this is the paper cylinder. Right. Does the ball rotate freely inside the bowl? Yes. You can see the direction is given here. So this is like this. So this ball is rotating like this. So it is rotated. Does the paper cylinder also rotates? How will the paper, if it is stuck, it won't, right? So paper cylinder will not rotate. Now imagine that the paper cylinder is your arm. Okay, imagine that the paper cylinder is your arm and the ball is its end, just like your arm, and there's a ball at the end of your shoulder. Okay, the bowl is like a part of the shoulder to which your arm is joined. Okay, the rounded end, please underline, this is very important. This is the answer of a ball and socket joint. What is ball and socket joint? So the rounded end of a bone, the rounded end of one bone fits into the cavity of, cavity means hollow space, because this is a bowl, a katori, this has a hollow space. So this rounded end is fitting inside this, right? Such space of the other bone, such a joint allows movement in all directions. So this is your own one bone with the rounded end. So one bone with the rounded end. This is another bone with a cavity. Okay. So here, okay, so you can see here that how the rounded end of one bone is fitting into the hollow cavity of the other end, and this movement allows, this kind of joint allows the movement in all the directions. Okay, now can you name another such joint you can think of, recollecting the body movement we tried at the beginning of this section? So you can think, see, just like you you bowl, no, when you bowl to somebody, like in a cricket, when you give a ball, when you throw a ball, how you rotate your hand. So this rotation is also there in one of our body parts. Where it is there? Can you think of it? Just think of it and tell me. So this kind of I think you know the answer. This is in the hip joint. Hip joint also you can rotate your legs. Not that much, but you can rotate it, right? So here, children, you have to draw the diagram of ball and socket joint here. Okay, children.